Hello everyone, today I have this wallet by UNIQTOUCH. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So I received 3 boxes from UNIQTOUCH. Inside the first box we get a beautiful looking wallet. In the second box we get a wallet accessory. And in the third box we get a screwdriver that looks pretty cool. As you can see, this wallet has a very nice modern design. And the first thing I noticed when I touched it is the build quality. It's made of 7075 T6 aluminum, which makes this elegant wallet feel premium. It's cool to the touch. This whole side piece is the trigger that activates a smart mechanism inside, which has a unique and effortless way of releasing the cards stored inside. I really like the grip texture on the back and on the side, since it makes it super simple to slide and pop those cards out. This backplate is removable, making it customizable, and that's where this ultra slim NFC card holder accessory comes into play. It is made of aluminum and leather, making it as premium as the wallet. To attach the accessory, simply unscrew the 4 screws on each corner, remove the backplate, and install the card holder. This accessory allows me to add an extra card while still keeping its slim, stylish, and lightweight design. It's actually perfect for frequently used cards, especially NFC cards, for the bus, elevator, door, or whatever you use it for. And this isn't the only backplate, there is other options too. I've used many wallets in the past, and I can honestly say that this one is truly unique. Hey, so a couple of things I forgot to mention. Up to 6 cards fit in this wallet. If you have a card made of metal, like my Prime Visa card, it will slide out because of its weight. It's just not able to hold it inside, so you could place your heavy card in a card holder instead, like the one I attached to this wallet. But just keep in mind that you do have to buy it separately. This little container has extra screws. Oh, and this is what the inside of the wallet looks like. It's a lever that pushes the cards out at different heights. Pretty simple mechanism that just works. And we're back. I like the attention to detail and minimalistic design. It's completely different from other wallets I've used, and it fits seamlessly into any of my pockets. So what do you guys think about this wallet? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll leave a link under this video so you guys can check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!